Yan yung chocolate hills.
O yan o, kay Chocolate Hills.
Ayun no, trees. Ganda ng pagkaan ng camera ni Mama. Kuha talaga eh. Ano siya? Yan sa puno.
I love Chocolate Viewpoint. Diba?
Halim. So should go beach. The water's running. Let's grab a boat and
Military.
run to the nearest shore. Yeah, it's a crow.
Tingnan mo kasi masisira yung anak ha.
Chocolate hills, oh. Ano? May cloud. Mamaya na test.
Oh, ang ganda ng mountain, no? Green na green. Diba?
May clouds.
Green, brown. Maganda. Close my heart, promise you. All I've got to do is make all my dreams come true. Ignore the world, you'll never find this parang na-burn yung mga ano na,
Oh.
yung mga leaves ng pine tree.
It's not good to see.
But it's not, it's burned naturally by the sun, by the heat of the sun.
Ay.
Yo!
They were... Believe ako sa pipe. Because ang ano ng structure nila na parang hindi sila nahuhulog kahit nandun sa